Trend Dive with uSMART, Episode 2. Advanced Micro Devices, AMD, Strengthening the Next Wave of AI Innovations. AMD AI chips are heating up. Is AMD the next breakout trade? If you are someone who is tech-savvy or a gamer, you may have heard of Advanced Micro Devices, also known as AMD. AMD has evolved from a traditional chip maker into a global leader in high-performance and adaptive computing. From CPUs that power data centers to GPUs driving artificial intelligence, AMD has firmly secured its position as the world's second-largest market share globally in both segments. And investors are starting to take notice. AMD's market performance is largely shaped by the rapid growth of its data center and AI businesses. Data center revenue has surged from 26% of total sales in 2022 to nearly 50% by early 2025, while AI GPU revenue is projected to jump from $8 billion in 2023 to around $200 billion by 2026. Its technology now powers the infrastructure of global players like Microsoft, Amazon, Google Cloud, and Oracle, solidifying AMD's role in the AI-driven computing era. Together, these factors continue to shape how investors value AMD's future growth. In October 2025, AMD and OpenAI announced a long-term strategic partnership to expand global AI computing capacity. The agreement will see OpenAI deploy up to 6 gigawatts of computing power using multiple generations of AMD GPUs, with the first 1 gigawatt of MI400 chips coming online in late 2026. AMD will also grant OpenAI warrants for 160 million shares, about 10% of its equity, tied to deployment milestones and stock performance, potentially rewarding OpenAI if AMD reaches USD 600 per share. The news sent AMD shares up 35% pre-market, with analysts estimating USD 5.5 billion in GPU shipments for 2026, doubling the following year. More than just a contract, this partnership cements AMD's place as a core provider of the AI infrastructure, powering the next generation of large language models. With the OpenAI partnership in place, analysts have lifted AMD's target price to USD 305 per share, implying about a 46% upside from current levels. Revenue is now expected to surge from USD 25.8 billion in 2024 to USD 48 billion in 2026, and further to USD 66 billion by 2027. The MI series alone is projected to generate USD 26 billion in 2026 and USD 44 billion in 2027, with roughly 550,000 GPUs delivered in 2026, doubling to 1.1 million units the following year. Traders are watching three main catalysts: upcoming earnings results, MI400 deployment updates, and potential new cloud partnerships. As AI infrastructure demand accelerates, pullbacks could offer attractive entries for investors, positioning ahead of the next growth wave. Ready to take part in the AI hardware revolution? Follow AMD, track its performance, and trade smarter with uSMART.